When people buy a machine, it is usually the purchase that is shipping, so the shipping cost is the issue that cannot be ignored. The problem of rising the international freight costs last year hidden many people from purchasing the machines. Thus, when choosing machine on Alibaba platform, the shipping volume is the thing you need to take into consideration. You know, for larger machine, the shipping costs usually exceed the price for machine itself. This actually tests whether the manufacturer takes the packaging into consideration when designing the machines. This is ACBRO Plasma Pipe Cutting Machine Tube S. This is designed to be very long, to accumulate longer pipes. However, during the transportation, the supporting legs are disassembled and the long rails are disassembled as well. Just like this. The packaging volume is greatly reduced, so finally the shipping costs are also reduced several times. Besides that, the guarantee is the installation has become more complicated. No debugging or leveling is required. So for Tube S, you only need to install the supporting legs and fix the guiding rail. So it is completely plug and play. That's all for today. See you next time, guys.